बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। उम्मीद है कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज की इस वीडियो में MS वर्ड के MCQs हम कवर करेंगे। वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ में बेल आइकन प्रेस करें ताकि नई वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। Background color or effects applied and a document is not visible in reading view, print layout view, web layout view, print preview. So the correct option is D. Which of the following is correct regarding underline is in MS Word? Color of underline can be changed. Style of underline can be changed. Underline can be set using by the shortcut key. All of the above. So the correct option is D. How Microsoft Word will respond in repeated word? A red wavy line under the repeated word, a green wavy line under repeated word, a blue wavy line under the repeated word, none of the above. So the correct option is A. What is the use of all caps feature in Microsoft Word? It changes all selected text into capital letter. It adds caption for selected image. It shows all the image captions, none of the above. So the correct option is A. Which feature helps you to insert the contents of the clipboard as text without any formatting in MS Word? Paste special, format painter, page setup, styles. So the correct option is A. What is the shortcut key for manual line break in MS Word? Control plus enter, Alt plus enter, Shift plus enter, Space plus enter. So the correct option is C. From which menu you can insert header and footer in a Microsoft Word? Format menu, view menu, tools menu, insert menu. So the correct option is D. In MS Word AutoCorrect was originally designed to replace dash words as you type. Grammatically incorrect, short, repetitive, misspelled, none of the above. So the correct option is C. In MS Word, the autocorrect was originally designed to replace dash words as you type. Grammatically incorrect, short, repetitive, misspelled, none of the above. The correct option is C. If you will be displaying or printing your document in MS Word on another computer, you will want to make sure and select the dash option under the Save tab. Embed true type fonts, embed fonts, save true type fonts, save font. So the correct option is A. In MS Word, the mailing list is known as the data source, sheet, data sheet, source. So the correct option is A. It is possible to dash a data source before performing a merge in MS Word. Modify, sort, create, all of the above. So the correct option is D. Drop cap means small caps, title case, all caps, none of the above. So the correct option is D. How can you apply exactly the same formatting you did to another text in MS Word? Copy the text and click on the Paste Special tool on New Place. Select the text, then click on Format Painter and select the new text. Copy the text and paste in new location, then type the new text again. All of the above. So the correct option is B. Which of the following line spacing is invalid in MS Word? Multiple, double, triple, single. So the correct option is C. What should you do if you require pasting the same format in many places? Double click the format painter, then go on pasting in many places. Click the format painter, then go on pasting to many places holding Control key. Click the format painter and go on pasting in many places holding Alt key. All of the above. The correct option is A. In MS Word, on which toolbar can you find Format Painter tool? Formatting toolbar, Picture toolbar, Drawing toolbar, Standard toolbar. So the correct option is D. Which operation you will perform if you need to move a block of text? Copy and paste, paste and cut, cut and paste, paste and delete. So the correct option is C. In MS Word, which of the following option is not available in Insert, Picture, Chart, Graph, Clip Art, Word Art? So the correct option is B. How many different positions can you set for drop cap in MS Word? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the correct option is B. What is the maximum number of lines you can set for a lines to drop box in MS Word? 3, 5, 10, 15. So the correct option is C. असल में ये ड्रॉप बॉक्स नहीं है, ड्रॉप कैप है. हाउ व्हाट इज़ द मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ लाइन कैन यू सेट फॉर ड्रॉप कैप? ये थोड़ी सी गलती हो गई है, यहाँ पे हम माज़रत चाहते हैं. बस आज के लिए इतना ही काफ़ी है. इंशाल्लाह आपसे मुलाकात होगी अगली वीडियो में. तब तक इजाज़त दीजिए. अल्लाह हाफिज़.